Welcome back to One Honey Bell Kitchen. So this evening we are going to do some oxtail, but the oxtail and no pressure cooker. I season my oxtail, which is right here, with soya sauce, a little browning, onion powder, garlic powder. This is some Italian seasoning. Also, you can put a little pepper, or you can use Scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, onion, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little salt. If you put the soy sauce, don't put too much salt because it will be too salty. And over here I'm gonna do it's gonna be like a weight loss thing, because I'm not gonna cook any carbs today. I'm gonna cook my cauliflower and my broccoli. So I use olive oil. I just want to be a little healthy. Olive oil in my pot, which is ready, heat and ready. With my oxtail, I season overnight and cover it, put it in the refrigerator. You don't have to do that. You can just season and cook same time, or let it rest for like half an hour to an hour, so it will be more flavorful. So I didn't put any onion or anything. I just put like the powder seasoning on this, and the soy sauce and a little browning. And my pan is hot, so I put it in there. You go as close to it as possible so you don't make a splash. Make sure your pan is hot, and then I'm going to brown it, and then I'm going to use hot water. So as we cook, I'll show you what's going on in One Honey Bell Kitchen. Yes! Back. And this is how I'm browning my oxtail. I turn them, as we go. This is not a small oxtail, this is the big one. So my family prefer the big ones. So we got the big ones. You can get it from, any supermarket. And this is what we're doing here. So I boil my water up in a kettle, and I'm not going to let it brown too much. I'm going to put water, and then when it's dried down, I'm going to put some more water. I'm going to cover it up and let it cook, and when it's close to cook, then I'm going to put in my onion and onion seasoning. So as we go along, I'll show you. You have to take your time and put the water in like this. And then I'm going to cover. And then I'm going to cover. And then you take your fork, and then you'll touch and see. You touch and see how soft it is. As I told you, I'm not going to use any pressure cooker for this one. I just want it to cook regular. So as the water goes down, you add more water until it's soft. And then I'm going to add my onion and scallion and all the seasoning and my butter bean. I'll show you later as we go along in One Honey Bell Kitchen. Yeah! I put some carrots, and now I'm cutting up some Irish. You peel your Irish and you cut it, because if I use the Irish, then I don't have to use like cornstarch for thickness. So I'm trying to cut out the cornstarch. So I'm gonna put my seasoning in. My oxtail is almost cooked, and it's a little soft, so it's soft enough so my seasoning can go in now. And then I'm gonna put my butter bean. And 1 second. This is most of the seasoning that I'm putting in. This is thyme. This is onion, scallion. I put some celery also, and I put some garlic, bell pepper, hot pepper, and I also put a little bit of allspice, that's pimento, and I put some. I find this onion paste, so I put some onion paste. It's organic, so a little bit, not too much, not too much paste. And then my allspice, and then I'm gonna cook this down, and then I'll show you later. I'm gonna add my butter bean to it, and I'll show you within the next 3 minutes or so, or 5 minutes. I could put in my butter bean and cook it down, and I'll show you what's going on. Oxtail without pressure cooker is ready. If you look, I just put the butter bean, and you can see the carrot and all the other vegetables. It's so nice. It's so yummy. I don't have to put any cornstarch because the Irish potato and the carrot just cook down, and it's thick and nice and ready to eat. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. For those of you who have subscribed already, I'm very thankful from the bottom of my heart. Thanks. And for those of you who don't subscribe yet, I'm asking to subscribe. Come on, let's go with 100 bell and see how we cook all these wonderful and delicious meals, so you can cook for your family too. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.